Hello babies, it's me, your favorite LOL surprise doll, Splatters. Today I'm gonna do a nature vlog with you. Come on, I'll show you. I can climb on flowers. Achoo! Brr, I sneezed. Okay. I can actually climb on trees too, but it's very dangerous for me. Cause I'm just a LOL doll. But it's fun to climb on trees. Do you babies hear birds singing? Cause I do, and I love it. Wow! It's like a flower sea over here, or like a jungle. I hope I'm not lost. Uh-oh, I think I am. Those apple tree flowers are so beautiful. Bad thing I'm so little, because they're so up, so high. Yeah, up and high on the sky. Anywho's, let's see more. This is one of my favorite places in the whole garden, where I can sit between two trees and watch the sun. Yeah, true, it is pretty high for me, but I'm good climbing. Okay, next spot. I love when I can sit here. Isn't it beautiful and gorgeous? I love it. So relaxing. I also love walking in here. It's pretty sunny, but good thing that I'm wearing sunglasses so my eyes don't get burned. I also love jumping over here. Whee! Whoa, it's pretty windy. I love it. I actually can be over here too. It's pretty nice here too. Even though it's big and I'm little. Look how pretty this is. And when I'm hungry, I can eat a little salad. Delicious. I know it's bigger than me, but it's still delicious. So this was our nature trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you babies next time. Bye. Gummy out.